Hey there, my name is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, and I was doing some research about general contractors in our area, and I came across you guys on, I think it was Build Zoom here, and thought I would give you some information about how you can increase your traffic flow and get more clients with an online presence, be it in Google or even like Facebook, Google ads, Facebook ads, things like that. So I'm going to take a look at where you're at right now and then just pop up another competitor's website and show you the tools that we use in our company to kind of build websites and outrank competitors as well. So if you are interested in learning more about how Christy's Leads can help you, shoot me an email, a text, a phone call. If not, no harm, no foul, no problem. Save this maybe for when you would be interested. And if you could just give me some feedback at the end of the video, let me know if it was helpful or not, that would be great. So I'm just starting with your business here. Housing Solutions. Look like you guys are out of Glenside, which is right around the corner for me. That's awesome. Looks like you're in Build Zoom here and perhaps Angie's List and Yelp. I'm not sure, I just pulled up you guys in Build Zoom. But it certainly gives a lot of information about you, allows people to get in touch with you via Build Zoom or via Angie's List and such. So I know you're paying for that stuff and paying for those leads. Sometimes those leads are not so great. We kind of rank websites so that the companies are getting leads that are from people who are directly looking for what that company is selling. So one thing I did is I just looked at some of your competition here. Yeah, here you guys are. Well, that's in Ridge Avenue. But I looked at some of your competition, general contractors in Glenside. I also took a look at general contractors, Montgomery County, and I'll just show you a couple things here, just as far as Google works. So there's these Google guaranteed ads, and they're fairly new in Google, and they allow people to they pop up right away at the top. People are paying for these, and people see them a lot. They're sponsored. And then you have your more traditional ads underneath. Again, companies are paying for them. Some people have ad blockers on and no ads are even shown for those websites, but some people do use the ads. Other people do not believe in clicking on ads, so they use other ways. So we have in Google, we have what's in the middle here is called the Map Pack, and this Map Pack has these top 3 businesses, which, believe it or not, are the ones that most people will go to if they're just looking for a general search of a contractor in this case. These people get into this Map Pack by having a large amount of referring domains and backlinks. A backlink is another website that links back to yours. They also have probably a decent amount of content on their first page with high relevant keywords that people are searching for, as well as a lot of citations. So a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number, and where it appears on the internet. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, those are all online directories, and those are all citations. So what we do is we take a look at these companies, and we have a program called Ahrefs, which I'll show you in a minute, and it allows us to see where they're getting their citations from and their backlinks. And basically we do the same, but we do more. And then in time, over like a 30 to 60 day period, websites, Google crawls those websites, and then they start to outrank their competitors, and then they're on the first page of Google here. So I just took one of your competitors, Tim Rocco and Daughters General Contracting, looked at their web page. Here it was. They have a call to action here. They have a website, they have pictures, they have, looks like a decent amount of content. Geez, these guys are all the way down in Philly, so I don't know how much you might run and butt heads in Philly, I'm not sure, but either way, they're in your field and they're pretty close. I popped their website into our tool here, Ahrefs, and yeah, here it is. And it just basically shows you that they have 182 referring domains and that are linking to these backlinks. And we would use that information to create a website and SEO that would outrank them. So you also can see how much traffic they're getting organically. So they're not paying for these ads. How many people are looking at their websites? There's 31 volume per month, and then they're ranking for 149 keywords. So what that means is that if you take a look at these organic keywords, I'll just show you real quick. It just says what these keywords are and where they are position-wise and their search volume on Google. So we have general contractor, Montgomery County. They're in position 5. Search volume is 60. And let's see, a little higher search volume, roofers. They're position 8. Search volume 80, position 15. So you want to try to be like position 1, 2, 3, or 4. Definitely when you're at past 9, you're probably on the second page. It just doesn't get as much traffic there. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in learning more about how we can help your business with Christie's Leads, please contact me via email or phone. And if not, no harm, no foul, no problem. Hope maybe you can take some of this information and build a website or create some more online presence. Again, if you could just comment and give me some feedback on the video, that would be great. I thank you for your time and have a great day.